Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. So hit that subscribe button below and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will show you how to put together some very glamorous candle holders. And if you think this is a project you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's get into making these glamorous candle holders. Materials you will need to complete this project will be 3 rhinestone wristbands, a candle holder from the Dollar Tree, ribbon of your choice, and Mod Podge and a paintbrush. Now keep in mind that this is satin ribbon, so you don't want to apply too much Mod Podge. You want to apply gentle amounts because too much saturation will ruin the ribbon by it being satin. And if you want to make it permanent, then you will use the Mod Podge. Also remember to apply very little pressure to the ribbon. For some reason, if you can't find the rhinestone wristband, you can also use bling wrap. You can find bling wrap at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's, and the Dollar Tree. Make sure to always place your brooch over the seam of the ribbon. So this does complete the first candle holder, the style of it. It's rhinestoned and it's beautiful. It's glitzing. Now let's move on to the second candle holder. You will need 3 rhinestone wristbands, a brooch, a candle holder from the Dollar Tree, ribbon, scissors, and a glue gun. We are using the candle holder to measure how much ribbon we will need. want to always position your brooch to go over the seam of the ribbon. So this does complete our tutorial for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God keep you, and we will see you in our next video.